Okay, this tutorial is going to show you how to export text from a text box into a text file. So download this FLA from the description and then we can begin. So pressing F9 will take us into the code. And if you get to the very bottom, there is some code here. So this is a modified tutorial from previously, so there'll be other code up the top that relates to share objects and arrays, but not really important for now. Firstly, we have a variable called text to save. Whatever is saved into our text box 1 up here under name 1 will then go into this variable. If we scroll down, we have this one here. This is the file reference, the ability in Animate to save externally into whatever type of file we're choosing, which in our case is a text file. Then we have some standard event listeners here. Click, and then we have text box 1. So text to save equals text box 1. Create a new file and call that file text output.txt. Let's try it out. So I'm going to call this one Barry, and I'm going to hit output, and I'm going to overwrite the existing text output there that I've clearly been doing before this tutorial. Apologies for the loud crashing noises. And now if I open up that text file, there it is, there's Barry. I can also export multiple names. If I was to chuck in some code that I wrote in before, you can see here that I've got text box 1, text box 2, and text box 3, and they're separated by this \n with pluses in between. This is telling us that we need to put a line in between each one of these text boxes so that it has a new line in the text file. So let's try that now. Press Ctrl Enter, and I'm going to write Bob, Sam, output, save, and you should see 3 lines. So if you want to load from the text file, you can see that code higher up here, but I would recommend loading out of your share object. But if you're interested, this text loader allows you to read from a file that is external, like the text file, and then we have code that says read from the specific file, and then this loader function here puts whatever is in the text file into the text box, which in our case will be a little bit annoying because we have 3 names. So if we were to load from there, we would get them all into the one text box, as you can see there, by pressing up and down. But you know, it works. Cool, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful.